In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved Facebook password in Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you two methods to do this. The first method is just loading up your internet browser. Click on these three vertical dots in the top right hand side. Click on Passwords and Autofill and then select Google Password Manager. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of the saved passwords on your Google Chrome browser. And what we can do is just use the search box to search for Facebook, and then you can go and click on Facebook like so. And then from here, you'll be able to find your Facebook password. So all you need to do is click on this eye icon next to the password field, and that's going to reveal the password to you. Now, if for some reason Facebook doesn't show up in the Google Password Manager, another place you can look is by heading over to the Google website and make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Click on the profile icon at the top right hand side and select Manage your Google account. Then click on Security from the left navigation, and then just scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page where you see Password Manager and click on Manage Passwords. Now once again, we can use the search box at the top here just to search for Facebook, and if you do see Facebook in this list, we can simply click on it, and here is another place that you may be able to find your Facebook password. You may also need to re-enter the password for your Google account before you can access this page, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.